Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Supriya Modge, a real estate consultant from Pune. Today we are exploring one of the luxurious project in Pashan by Pristine Developers, The Lord. And the project is located at very prime locality of Pashan with seamless connectivity. Let's check the connectivity on the screen. And this is the one of the tallest tower in Pashan. This is how your residence will look like. For this residence you will be having two entrances. Down will be the commercials and after that you will be having 34 huge story building. This project is built up in 3.2 acres where you will get 4 towers, that is A, B, C and D. Now they are giving you A and B tower, and the point is A tower is already 90% sold out, so you will be having option in only B tower, that is 3 and 4.5 BHK house. Let's see where the towers are located in this project. This is how it look like, your project. This will be your 4 towers A, B, C and D, and the amenities at the terrace. You will be getting golf stimulation, game zone, lounges and barbecue. And the ground level amenities you can check at the screen. And this is very strategically planned and the neighborhood is very good. Like you will get Balewadi High Street nearby, stadium, PVR, Westin Mall with seamless connectivity to Pune station, hospitals and Pankar Club Road attachment. And this is the connectivity of this project. You can check, it is near to Mumbai-Pune Highway Express and it is very well connected to Shivaji Nagar as well. Now let's check the house tour of 4.5 BHK flat with the carpet of 1965. Let's check. You will be getting digital lock and video cam for all the apartments. As soon as you enter, you will get foyer area. This is quite a spacious. You will be getting for your privacy, and you can plan here a shoe rack or a decorative item. As soon as you enter at the left side, you will be getting guest bedroom. Let's check the guest bedroom of this apartment. This is your spacious guest bedroom. This guest bedroom comes along with an Juliet balcony. You can check the dimension of the balcony on the screen and as well as the dimension of this guest bedroom as well on the screen. You can plan like this a wardrobe here. They have planned so beautifully in this room, and along with this guest bedroom you are getting a washroom where you will get separate shower area, and this is the toilet, and all the fittings they are giving you of the Kohler brand. And the granite, you can check the quality of this granite they are providing for this particular apartment in this project. Now let's check the living area. This is your rectangular living area. You can check the space on the screen, the dimension of this living area, and here you will be getting approx 10 feet of ceiling height. Like this you can place a beautiful chandelier for your beauty of this living area. Along with the living area you will be getting a spacious balcony with 3-sided covered toughened glasses, and you will be getting anti-skid tiles as well for your safety. This is your luxurious dining space. You can check how they have crafted and designed very well. Like this you can take an example and do your interiors as well. Like this you can hang a light over here to enhance the beauty. Opposite to this dining area you will be having a puja space here. And this is your open kitchen which comes along with a living area. You can see how beautiful the kitchen is. All the ladies will love it, and the developer is providing you upper cabinet as well as the lower cabinet, and this kitchen comes along with an spacious utility area, and the dimensions are given on the screen where you can place a dishwasher and a washing machine as well. And this kitchen comes along with a servant room. This servant room comes along with an washroom here. this is also having an entry and exit door from the outside of the apartment. And this is your powder washroom. And now let's check the kids bedroom, which comes along with an wall-to-wall window. This is fixed and upper is sliding for good ventilation in your kids area. You can plan like this a wardrobe over here and place a TV if your kids are interested in cartoons. And now let's check the two bedrooms which are opposite to each other. Let's check the first bedroom of this apartment. And this is quite spacious, and you will be also getting wall-to-wall window in this bedroom. You can check the dimensions on the screen for this bedroom. You can plan like this a wardrobe in this bedroom, and this bedroom also comes along with an quite a spacious washroom. Now let's check the second master bedroom of this apartment. You can check the dimension of this on the screen. If you place a king size bed also, you will get quite a space to walk around and plan your interiors accordingly. You can place a study table or something if you want, like this TV as well you can place for your privacy. And for this apartment you will be getting wall-to-wall window as well, and this is also comes along with an walking wardrobe space. And this is your walking wardrobe where you can get ready. Opposite to the wardrobe, you are having a spacious washroom where the shower area is separate. You can check the fittings of the Kohler and the tiles they have been provided. Opposite to shower area, they have given you space where you can place a jacuzzi as well. You will be getting DG backup with all the apartments. On per floor, you will be getting 4 flats, 2 with the 4.5 BHK and 2 with the 3 BHK apartments. Do follow my Instagram for more such short content and YouTube channel for long content on real estate.